Well, I'm fucking bored as fuck, locked up. It's been a while. We'll give the old girl a bit of a fire up. The dog showed up at the wrong time. You might want to piss off, BT. Oh, hang on. I better get me neighbours yelling over the fence at me fucking stoppers. Okay guys, El Turbo World Headquarters. Haven't done a video for a while, been locked up. Thanks to the Chinese, fucking good job. I'll be thinking about you and looking at everything when I go to fucking Bunnings from now on. We'll fire it up, eh? It's been parked since we got canned for the end of the season. Thanks to Mick, he rushed to get it through because I was away at work. Put it back together, and she's just become a shed ornament over the last month. So it's Sunday. I'll put my neighbours yelling over the fence at me 3000s on, and we'll kick it in the snugs, eh? Fuck, I think I put enough CRC in it.